Welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix app not installed as the app isn't compatible with your phone. Now, quick fix for this: come to settings. In the settings, we shall look for the app management. Then we shall come over here and tap on app list. Then quickly we shall search for Google Chrome, or you can casually search for Chrome. Then open it up. Once you open it up, you have to come and click on storage and cache. Clear the cache. After clearing the cache, come back to permissions and then make sure that Chrome has been given all permissions. You can see this permission it doesn't have, so go ahead and give it all permissions from the notification permissions to the contacts permissions. After that, you go ahead and reinstall the application you wanted to install and it will work. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet